Everyone's talking about InVideo AI for YouTube automation, but can you actually start a faceless channel without spending a single penny? Well, today we are going to generate a script, piece together stock footages, even use an AI avatar all from scratch and all for free. Let's start it. Right, so start by going to InVideo.ai and sign up if you don't already have an account. I'm using my Google account to create one, and this is where you'll land. So as you scroll, you'll find this agents and model. This is where InVideo houses their most advanced tool, including models like Google VO and Sora. Now, because we are using the free plan today, we cannot actually generate using these top tier models. They are locked behind the paid tier. But it's useful to know that this is also included in the platform if you decide to scale up your channel and upgrade to a paid subscription. So for now, we are going to entirely focus on create AI video workflow, which will be accessed through this prompt right here in the center of the screen. Now, right now, I'm going to be creating a YouTube short. So I'm going to use this template right here, which is create short video. And here you can first off select the pace of your video. Either you want a fast pace or very fast paced. I would select the very fast paced one, and then you can select the platform you want it for, which is YouTube Shorts right now. And here you'll have to add a topic. Now this might actually look really helpful because you don't have to prompt everything into a text, but if you want, you can even go for the textually prompt also. Now my topic is the 2-minute rule to stop procrastinating, and now I can change and tweak around settings like background music, language, stock footage, etc. So let's start with background music. Here you can describe the background music that you want to generate. I've added fast and motivating. Then for the language, it will be English. Then I do want subtitles, and here you can select the actual style of the subtitle. Now if you have used any of video creation tools, you might know what these description mean. If not, you can go with add any subtitle, but if you do know all of these, you can choose one from your. And I'm going to be choosing the karaoke style subtitle. Now here's a crucial part. You can even select the voice actor that you want in your video. So if you click on this button right here, you can choose the gender of your voice actor first, which will, let's select a male, and then voice. Here you can select from all the different accents of voice available. So I'm going to start off with the American accent, and now I'll add the stock footage. So you have three options here, whether you want to generate clips for your specific video or generated image, or you want to use stock media. Right now I'm just using stock media, and to set what stock source that you want to use, you can use the stock preferences option, and here you can choose which of these do you want to use. And that's about it. Now I'm going to proceed, and as you can see, all those settings have been added to my prompt, and all I have to do is click on this generate my video button and it will start loading. Now you'll be asked these questions, which is the duration of your video, media type, and platform. So right now I'm going to keep the duration as 30 seconds, platform as YouTube short, and the media type, well, that's again either using the stock footages or generated footage. You can even add files from here if you want to add specific videos or images to your generated video. I'm going to stick to basic and generate. You can turn on this notification button and it will notify you once your video has been created. Okay, so here's our generated video. Let me give you a preview.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Procrastination is stealing your time. Here's a 2-minute power move to take it back. Got a task? Break it down.
See that was created using just stock footages, and it took about 3 minutes, I guess. Now let's talk about the voiceover it generated. It is incredibly natural, but if you want to tweak how it sounds, you do not need to mess around with complex audio timelines or settings. you can simply use this edit button and a text box would appear right below your preview. Now, if you want, you can even choose specifically what you want to make changes to. For example, I want to change the music, so I'm going to select that and it will open up the music setting, and now I can choose from different stock musics right here and change it to one that I like. To preview this, all I have to do is click on this preview button and it will play the sound. Like, check this out. And once you find a suitable song for your background music, you can simply click on this replace button and apply that changes and then save it. So now the music has been changed. Just like that, you can even check out the script, medias that are included, as well as the settings like translation, subtitles, SFX, etc. So this is really convenient. Now once you're satisfied with the video, you can go ahead download it, but here's the deal. It will have watermark as well as InVideo AI branding if you want to download it for free, or you can get the subscription and download the videos without any watermark. But the plus side is that you can still download video up to 180p resolution, which is more than the other AI tools offer. Okay, finally I want to show you a brilliant way to give your faceless channel a human touch without ever stepping in front of camera yourself. If you open this sidebar here, you'll see this AI photo to avatar option. Now if you click on that, select create a new avatar, you'll have to follow all these steps. First off, you'll require a photo that you can add directly from your device. So here I've added the avatar. Next, you can optionally describe your characters, appearances as well as voice, and lastly you'll have to add a script you want your avatar to say, or even upload your own audio. But the catch here is that this photo avatar creation is again a paid tool because it requires 5 credits, but on your free plan you can get only up to 1 credit. But the workaround for that is either you can use a free actor by clicking on this AI twins option and you will find a free actor library. So if you check this out, you'll see all of these. Now I can select any of those, select continue, and that will be added to my prompt. Other than that, you can also create one free avatar, but for that you'll have to actually record a 60-second video of yourself, and it should also include a sentence that I give InVideo AI permission to clone my avatar for this workspace. But as we want to keep it faceless, I'm going to be selecting a free actor and going to create another video using this. Okay, so the video using the avatar is now ready, and let me show it to you.
3 digital side hustles that cost absolutely nothing to start, and you can begin today. First, freelance writing. Platforms like...
So, did you see the lip syncing and everything? It was perfect. But the issue with the caption that it shouldn't be right in the face of our avatar, and don't worry because it is fixable using the edit option, which I already did. All I did was give a command to move the subtitles to the bottom of the screen, and now as you can see, they are not in the face of our avatar anymore. So it's pretty neat to actually make changes to the video without having to go through timeline, dragging, dropping, etc. Now that's how you can create your YouTube automation. Instead of hiring a writer, voice actor, and video editor on Fiverr, this single prompt, one single video, one single avatar can help you generate multiple videos for your channel. So bringing it all together, InVideo's free plan does offer us multiple different features to test out all the parts of a workflow, but it does have limitations like exportation with watermark and strict 2 minutes weekly limit. So for one who are seriously interested, they can eventually upgrade to paid plan. And do let me know in comments which feature did you like the most, and I'll see you in the next one.